Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You know, there is nothing quite as inviting as a good squishy pillow, and these queen bed pillows from EIUE do not disappoint. As soon as they arrived, my 6-year-old son said, "Mom, these are so fluffy and satisfying." So they got his stamp of approval, which is great because I got them for him. But check it out, compared to what he was using before, look at how full and fluffy these things are. No wonder he was like, "These are the best, Mom." These have a down alternative filling, which my kids prefer. In their words, they do not like the pokey things. So they love how these are filled. But you know what's incredible about these is it's like 2-in-1. So one side is softer, and if you flip it over, one side is a little more firm. Now, I wasn't really sure how to show you guys the difference, but I figured it out. I went and I got a couple plates. So these plates are exactly the same. They weigh the same. You can see how one pillow sinks down a little bit further than the opposing pillow because you've got the firm side and the softer side. I mean, how incredible is that? So you can kind of customize it to what your needs are. If you need a little extra support, just flip it around and sleep on the firm. So for my boys, these pillows get a 10 out of 10 on the squish factor scale. And that's our point of view.